Tunnel Rock. There's a silence in Sequoia that doesn't feel empty, it feels eternal. The kind of silence that humbles you, that reminds you the world has been breathing long before you got here, and it'll keep breathing long after you're gone. Sequoia National Park. I'm getting my life, okay? I apparently cannot go all the way through because they're requiring snow chains today, and I don't have any, and I'm also in a Nissan Altima, and it's like very low to the ground and like not meant for national park trekking at all whatsoever. But I'm so excited. It's so beautiful here. I know I've already put in some of the footage of me at Tunnel Rock and just like driving in and everything. I'm really in awe. Like, I know I'm gonna be super emotional. I'm thinking also about going back and getting some snow chains. We'll see. I'm gonna go as far as I possibly can. It's cold, but it could be colder. So let's kick it! This is quite literally insane to me. I'm like, how the freak were they? I spent just 5 hours here. That's it. But something about the entire journey I went on throughout made it feel almost like I was just suspended outside of time. It was insane. The mountains, the amount of landscapes that this park holds is absolutely incredible. Like the mountain ranges, the trees, the valleys. California has such insane variety when it comes to earthly landforms, and I'm just so glad that I was able to feel on top of the world for a few hours. Coming here alone felt like the biggest reset. I didn't have anyone to talk to, no notifications, no pressure to perform, just me, the sound of my own footsteps, and just looking at views and thinking about life. Sequoia was actually established in 1890. It's America's second national park after Yellowstone, so very old. And the idea itself was really radical at the time, protecting a place not for profit, but for its beauty, its sacredness, protecting its future, preserving what it could be. It's really like a gift from the past that keeps on giving to everyone throughout time. The ascent into the forest was literally magical. These trees, these towering sequoias, they've seen hundreds of winters. Some of them have been standing for over 3,000 years. That's older than the Roman Empire. That is older than almost any religion we know of, almost any historical figure we can imagine. Older than the language I'm currently speaking right now. To think about that, to think about how much change and transformation these trees have seen and grown through, all of the obstacles that they've faced and conquered, is something that I think is a lesson to all of us and really struck a chord with me as I climbed the mountains into the snow, watched a whole climate change from no snow to all of these snow-capped mountains and beautiful trees. It was magnificent. This shit is crazy, dude. Look at these fucking trees, man. It's so crazy. The largest living tree on Earth lives here. It's called the General Sherman tree. Not the tallest, not the widest, but by sheer volume, it is the biggest organism on the planet. And when you stand at its base, you don't just see it, you feel it. Like it commands its own energy, it has its own presence, and it's just absolutely remarkable. I love this. Why so big and so old? When you finally look up, it hits you. These trees don't just grow tall, they reach. Like they're in conversation with the sky. Like they've been growing narratives for thousands of years, and we still seem to not be able to listen. From up here, everything looks small. Even me, especially me, even you, especially you, will look small. You will feel the smallest you have ever felt, and I think that's part of the magic. It's really freeing. The weight of the world, the noise, the expectations, they shrink in the shadow of the giant presence of this forest. It's a beautiful thing to experience, and I am personally someone who loves trees. I love forests, I love trees. The energy in the forest just gives me life, and so just being in here really energized me and recharged me in a way that a lot of other places couldn't. Walking through the forest, vibing with the trees. I hugged one of the big trees just to say thanks. Big tree. So cool. I saw the sequoias. Now that I've come here in winter, I have to come back in summer. It's only right. I'm sure it's packed during the summer. And I can actually plan accordingly and have my appropriate things. Now, back to reality, where there's nothing like going to a big forest with some big trees to remind you that you're just a small little girl. Can I just hide here? Can I just hide here from society, or no? Is that not a thing? Live amongst the trees, hang out, forage my own food. Me starting to make a plan. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh, the air. It smells so good. Look how pretty. What must it feel like to grow for 2,000 years, to weather fire, storm, drought, and still stand tall, arms open to the sky, rooted deep in the earth, grounded in a sense of surety? Like, literally, how am I witnessing this? I'm so happy. I'm a happy girl. Happy girl in the trees. I'm a little cold. Ah! It's a little icy out here, mate. I got my dunks on like a dummy girl. I don't look like a hiker at all. It's not giving hike girl. It's giving a little dummy, which is fine. Thanks for coming on this little journey with me for a couple hours in Sequoia National Park. I hope that this piqued your interest to go there one day if you haven't already been. And I know I was reminded a lot of patience and the just sheer power of resilience over time by going here, and hopefully you were too. I love y'all. I'll see y'all soon, and have a great rest of your day. Bye.